Hey Milo, how are you? Where are you going? You in there getting your toy? All right. Okay. Who's here, Milo?
Oh, there it is. Yeah, go sit down. Nothing has changed.
Who is that? Who is that? Oh my goodness, huh?
What's up, buddy?
Well, who is that? Oh, look at that. He's like, okay, who are you? Okay.
He's like, oh, it's not you, but I don't even know what to do.
Wait, are you gonna go get your toy? What? Yeah, I got you, didn't I? Huh?
Alright, I'm tired.
There you go, huh? Aww. All right.
Crazy dog.
There you go. I know, I got you, didn't I, huh?
I think he's looking for his toys, but he just doesn't know where to look.
He doesn't know where to look. He's like, oh my gosh.
Feeling better now, buddy? Yeah. Clearly.
All right.